I'm just a pimp ass nigga, and my machines are my hoes. Yeah. I'm the only pimp in town with mechanical bitches. These might actually still be good. I don't care. Whatever. Mechanical hoes, mechanical bitches. That's how you unload a machine. If you have to hurry anyway. Mechanical bitches. Ugh. These actually are still good. 11.23. Very well. These not so much. What's the fastest way to get kicked out of an account? Let everything go expired and don't change it out. All you need to know about vending machines. Let me see. Yeah, January 22. Yep. All you need to know. I'm impatient. Can you tell? And I'm just totally freaking awesome, man. I promise. Totally awesome. Holla at y'all later.